Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. I'm an educator and a vegan. And today we're going to look at how to make vegan ranch dressing. This recipe uses simple, dry ingredients that can be gathered from your pantry. The base of this recipe requires 3/4 cup unsweetened almond yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons soy milk, and 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Start by combining all of your wet ingredients into the bowl. Then add your dry ingredients. Whether you use a bowl or a blender container is up to you, but both methods of combining work well. Once your ranch dressing has reached this consistency, add some salt to taste, and then get ready to put it into a nifty dispenser bottle like this one. This recipe makes 6 servings at about half the calories of your traditional ranch dressing with 72 calories, low fat, and about 1 gram of protein. So enjoy it on salads, pizza, chicken nuggets, and whatever you're currently fancying. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You can find more nutrition information at lessonplantkitchen.com and find more recipes here on YouTube.